Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see send follow requests. So all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. First of all, you need to go into your Instagram and write down Instagram on your search engine. And this is the Instagram option that you have to pick from the Instagram official website. So now my Instagram has opened up. What I would do is simply get into my Instagram and get into the settings. Once I get into the settings, you see that I can check in, add, change websites, email notifications, put notifications, manage contact, privacy and security. In the privacy and security, I would get down below and get into the data download option. Once I get into the data download option, I would request the download. You see that now I am on get a copy of your information, and I would simply put down next. They're asking me for my account password, so I would give them that. So now I have like given them my password and I have requested to download. Now you see that I would eventually go into my email and look for it, and if it's not there, so they are saying it may take up to 48 hours to collect this information and send it to you. All of my information would be collected and it would have all the details regarding the requests that have been sent. So this is the way how you do it, how to you see check the requests that are sent by you to anybody on Instagram. So if you guys make sure that you like the video, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the YouTube channel of How to Digital. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive more awesome videos like this. Furthermore, if you guys have any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Till next time, peace.